Hi everyone, Rakesh this side. In this particular video, I am going to tell you how you can create your account in the school website step by step. The particular page which you are seeing right now, I am going to share to you via WhatsApp by telling to principal sir, or else you can just Google the URL. You can see in the cursor which I am scrolling right over here. You can just Google pmgics.in/login, and then you will land up on the this particular page. And then below this online registration thing, as you can see, there is a particular thing called select school. You can just click on that and select your school, that is Good Citizen School. And then you can enter your student name, and then you can select your gender. uh, by default it will be male. You can select female if you are female, and then you can select your date of birth. And after that, there is religion. In the religion section, you can select your religion, either Hindu, Muslim, or Christian. And then in the caste section, you can put your caste name. I'll just put Okaliga for example. And then you can select your blood group. I just selected B positive. Then in the address section, you can enter the address of yours. Then in the phone number section, I'll just enter a random number. You can enter your phone number. And then in the email section, I'll enter the email of mine. If you don't have one, just create by watching a YouTube video, or else you can enter your first name at gmail.com for the sake of creating an account. And it's not like compulsion, the username is actually compulsion. So you can just enter some random email if you don't have, but it should be unique. Otherwise it will tell sorry, we can't create an account. And after this, you can select the city, and then you can select your state, and then you can enter your country. Okay, and then there is a particular thing called id proof. It's like Aadhaar proof. You don't need to enter that, just leave that. And then you can select your class, and after that you can select the section, your class section. And then you can upload your photo if you want to, which will be displayed when you log into your dashboard. And after that, you can select your father name. You can just enter your father name. For the demo purpose, I will enter Lokesh. And after that, you can enter your father phone number, and then you can enter your father's occupation. And in the similar manner, you can enter your mother name, and their phone number and their occupation. There is also upload parent ID proof. It's not required. You can enter the username of yours. Just enter your full name and login email which you just entered before, and create a password according to your needs. And then there's a section called allow parent login. Just click on the checkbox. Then it will open username, password, and login email. Just fill those. If your parent don't have a email ID, just enter their first name at gmail.com. Then leave this transport vehicle thing, and just click on submit. Then you can create your account. After this, click on the login to account section. Then this particular interface will open. Then you just enter your username, which you created just before, and also enter the password. And then click on login. Then you can log into your dashboard. So as you can see, you can see numerous details about your study materials, homework, and your results, timetable, etc. And also you can see your picture. I'll just log out and log in from your parent account. Just put the username and password of your parent, and click on login, and they can see your performance. As you can see, there are some details like your payment history, notice board, and class timetable, exam results, attendance report, etc. So that's it. This is how you create your accounts and log in to see your performances. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel for the further updates from your school. Thanks for watching.